Realme is gearing up to launch its GT Neo6 SE in China next week, and we now have our first live look at the device. The image shows the device will sport a large camera island with dual sensors. The new leak is also joined by a render of the device which shows out the design. Realme also shared GT Neo6 SE will feature a 6.78-inch custom 8T LTPO OLED screen manufactured by BOE. The panel will offer 1.5K resolution with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and even more impressively 6000 nits peak brightness. That value is likely for local screen area in HDR content, as Realme shares the screen will bring 1600 nits global max brightness and up to 1000 nits in manual mode. The display will also offer 2160Hz PWM dimming and a 2500 Hz touch sampling rate. Realme has officially confirmed that the GT Neo6 SE will be equipped with the latest Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset with 16GB of RAM, which would enable some on-device AI features. The phone will run Android 14 with Realme UI 5.0 out of the box. The Realme GT Neo6 SE is clearly a dual-cam phone, and the main shooter will have 50-megapixel sensor and OIS, and 50-megapixel second camera. The smartphone's 3C certification suggests support for 100W charging. It also have pack a 5500 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.